The cross-arm confidence pose is a powerful nonverbal gesture often used to convey self-assurance and composure. By folding the arms across the chest, individuals project a sense of control and confidence, making a strong impression in both professional and social settings. This pose can signal that a person feels secure and grounded, while also establishing boundaries. It is commonly seen during presentations, interviews, or moments when someone wants to appear authoritative. The cross-arm confidence pose is not just about body language. It's about sending a clear message of inner strength and readiness to engage. The way we position our arms can significantly influence how others perceive us. Crossing the arms loosely, rather than tightly, suggests a sense of openness and approachability. This relaxed posture indicates that a person is comfortable and receptive, as opposed to defensive or closed off. It can help foster a more welcoming atmosphere in social or professional settings. By choosing to cross the arms in a gentle manner, individuals can subtly communicate their willingness to engage and connect with those around them. An asymmetrical shoulder posture occurs when one shoulder is noticeably higher than the other. This uneven alignment can be the result of muscle imbalances, habitual movement patterns, or even emotional states. In terms of body language, a raised shoulder may signal tension, discomfort, or defensiveness, while a lowered shoulder can suggest relaxation or resignation. Such postural differences are often subconsciously interpreted by others, influencing perceptions of confidence and openness. Over time, consistently holding this posture may also impact physical health, leading to strain or discomfort. Recognizing and addressing asymmetrical shoulders can help improve both communication and overall well-being. Tilting the head at an angle of about 10 degrees toward the higher shoulder introduces a subtle yet impactful change to the overall pose. This gentle inclination creates a sense of relaxation and approachability, softening the lines of the neck and jaw. The asymmetry adds visual interest, making the posture appear less rigid and more natural. By directing the tilt toward the elevated shoulder, the pose gains a touch of elegance and warmth. This technique is often used in portrait photography and art to convey openness and a friendly demeanor. The result is a composition that feels inviting and emotionally resonant. This stance is designed to project both strength and approachability. By balancing a confident posture with relaxed elements, it communicates authority without appearing intimidating. The overall vibe suggests someone who is capable and self-assured, yet open and welcoming. This combination makes interactions feel comfortable while still maintaining a sense of respect. It's an effective way to foster trust and convey reliability in any setting.